Hi, my name is Lotfi, and in this video I will be sharing with you what I'm organizing and why. I will also be asking you to join in, because we, the people, we, humanity, we, the planet, with all the living beings, we need your support. Like, subscribe, and share. Hey, may have seen a post mentioning 11/11/2024. Basically, it's upcoming Monday. I will be organizing with two dear friends of mine a guided meditation for global peace, harmony, and unity. You may have heard of this before. Yeah, well, because I did it in 2020, I organized it twice, in April and in November as well. And then life happened, but this year I felt very strongly it's time to do it again, because there has, as far as I know, never been so much divide in the world, so much polarity, and I'm not just saying right against left or male against female, it's just divide on any subject you can imagine. There is division, there's people fighting each other, and often they actually don't even know why they're fighting each other or what they're fighting each other over. They're just fighting because people tell them that that group is bad, and they believe. And why is all of this happening, you may ask? Well, I'm glad you asked. It's simple. We have polarity within us. We have division within us. If you're familiar with the chakras, and you probably are if you're watching this channel, then you already see all the chakras are separate. Yes, they may be connected, but they're separate. And a few years ago, I heard something, I don't remember who said it, but it was in the line of, all chakras will come together again, will merge together. Yeah, you guessed where already. Yes, in the heart. This is why we so much need to work on our inner balance. Connect with our body, connect with our heart, and from there connect with our soul. And please do not bypass your heart and your body and just go immediately to soul and spirituality and float all the way up there, because it's not going to work. It may work for a while, but you will be completely detached from the world we live in. We are all souls, we are all energetic beings, but we chose to incarnate in a human body, to have a human experience, a physical experience on a physical planet, with physical touch, smell, taste, sounds, colors. We didn't come here to escape, to run away. We came here to experience. And in that experience, we chose to have a period of division, let's say the dark period on Earth. And now we're entering a phase of light. And scientists have already measured this and concluded this, that the whole solar system entered a part in space with a much higher vibration, with a much more photonic activity. And so our frequency is rising. And that's why we need to ground more, not to float away. And then connect all the chakras. That means spirituality with Mother Earth, all connected through our chakras. Mother Earth is a connection we do with the root chakra. Spirituality with the crown chakra. And as we have 7 main chakras, and there are more of course, but the 7 main ones, then there are another 5 in between with the heart in the middle. So if you connect them all, you have this column of light, which on one side is anchored in earth, keeping you stable, not being able to be blown away, but also straight up, because you also connect up. So it's like this cord that you hold solid, strongly like this. And whatever agitation comes, it may move, but it stands. It's like a very strong tree. And that is when you have the full experience of what's happening. That is when you can connect with others, join forces with people who you are on a similar frequency with, people you resonate with. Meaning that if you want to create peace and harmony on earth, you will connect with more people who want this, and together you join forces. Like in this meditation that we're going to do. And that's how you create more impact. Because 1 + 1 is not 2 when it comes to energy. It's 11 or even 22. And it has been proven that when a large group of people meditate at the same time with a certain goal like peace, crime goes down, aggression goes down in that country. And if it's globally, it happens globally. And now it is more important than ever, with all this division that's happening, with all this fighting within countries, within cities, within communities, within families, and between countries, between religions, between whatever belief systems. Now it is crucial that we do this together, we join forces. And if on the 11th of the 11th, which is an energetic portal date, we all take 15 to 30 minutes to meditate for peace. And there will be a lot of people doing this around the globe on that date. So you will never be alone meditating, no matter where you are on the planet. There will always be other people somewhere on the planet meditating with you. And maybe you want to feel this, maybe you want to experience it, so you can gather with some people, do it. You can gather with us online to do it, or maybe with some people with you and then with us online. That's how we boost. And we will be doing more than just the guided meditation. We will be sharing our insights. And we will be answering questions afterwards. That's the benefit of joining us. Because all 3 of us have been working for a decade, 2 decades, even 3 or 4 decades on ourselves, on strengthening ourselves, on grounding ourselves, on developing ourselves spiritually, making the bridge between Mother Earth and spirituality. And so we have a combined wisdom of almost a century that we can share with you. And whatever question you'll have, one of us will be able to answer it, whether through our knowledge or through channeling. So join us. Bring your friends on. No need to force anyone, just share with them. And I guarantee you, most of the people that you know, that you feel a connection with, they want peace. Even if they still feel some hatred for some group, but they want peace in the end. They want harmony, they want love. So join us. Help making a difference. You'll find a link in the description. And if this happens to be a short that you see somewhere, or a how you call it, then click on my profile and you'll see the event. You can click and you see the link and you can register. Looking forward to seeing you in our Zoom call. Have a wonderful day. Oh, and a good weekend, by the way. Like, subscribe, and share.